What's up guys, it's me Geek. Yes, I love the S Pen, but I'm not going to buy the Galaxy Note. I want something which I can use to take notes, literally yes, which I can use to take notes, plus I can also write with it. So this is the Baseus Household Pen, as you can see. The link will be in the description box below. Now let me take out from the box. Okay, I'm just like tearing it apart. I mean, is that wrong, right? That is wrong. Definitely, yes, that is wrong. I shouldn't do that one. I mean, okay, what does happen? Okay, what is this? This is extra tip, I think so. Okay, the extra tip just come out. Okay, do not open the box stupid like me, please. Please do not open the box like me, how I open. Again, Basos, please, I have made like many videos on you. You never send me single product for review. I always buy everything from my own pocket. Okay. Okay, there's nothing inside the box, to be honest with you. That's all, to be honest with you. Let me just close the box. Okay, here we go. Come on, I wanna close the box. Okay, here we go. Okay, here it is, the closed box. So let me, okay, now here it is. I wanna, which is the pen? This is the pen. Okay, let me write something here. First I wanna do the pen test. As you can see, amazing, beautiful pen, working absolutely. But you have to close it, not like just like plug. Okay, you get an extra tip, which is awesome. Now the moment of the truth. The moment of the truth is here. Here is my Sony XA phone with the glass screen protector. Can you use this tip with a glass screen protector? Let me go to sketch. As I'm on the sketch. Okay, let me focus. Okay, I'm gonna make a new sketch. I'm gonna make it on the glass screen protector. You see, there's a glass screen protector. Wow, I mean, this just feel like the writing with the S Pen. I mean, wow, wow, wow. Okay, let me write this. Okay, this is awesome. Okay, let me make it small. Okay, let me write again. I mean, this thing is really very much awesome, to be honest with you. Okay, yeah, of course. I mean, because I spent the Wacom have like the plum reject technology. This do not have. You have to write like this. This is awesome. I mean, this is a must buy. Definitely, yes, this is a must buy. It was me, Jimmy Agik. Subscribe and bye.